of Meru, correct?
Where we have.
You are the chief executive.
Yes.
Thank you. Let us play video number 1. 1A at minute 2:42.
Wale ambao wana
Yes.
Ningependa kusema hivi. Vincent Moreri ama Supu ambaye ni key suspect. Hajawahi andikwa kwangu.
Yes.
Mfanyikazi wangu. Hakuna siku amefanya kazi kwa gavana na si mfanyikazi wa county. Ni shabiki kama vile hao walio nyuma yangu ni shabiki.
Suppose that is you speaking, correct?
That's very true.
And what is the context? What is the context of your address? You are addressing about the death of Sniper, correct?
Yes.
And you are distancing yourself from that person called Supu, correct?
Yes.
And that he has never worked in your office, correct?
He has never worked in
Do you still hold that preposition even this evening?
He has never worked in my office.
Thank you. Let us look at the evidence. Volume 2 of the County Assembly bundle of documents at page 430.
County Assembly.
Yes, County Assembly.
Your time is up. Council for the County Assembly, your time is up.
Yeah, that has caught us by surprise, Mr. Speaker, sir. And because this is a crucial witness, we seek your indulgence and your favor that you may grant us at least 20 more minutes so that I can also yield to my learned friends to just carry on with the rest of the...
Council for County Assembly. We have a deadline to beat. We have until midnight tonight to conclude this matter. We are not doing very well in terms of time management, and therefore I will give you 10 more minutes.
Most obliged. Let's have a look at that document. Page 430. Are you at page 430, Madam Governor? That is, we can begin at page 429. That is the information that the individuals were charged with, correct?
Yes.
Volume 2, Mr. Speaker. Yes? And yes. Vincent Mureithi Karimi alias Supu is one of the accused person, number 1, correct?
Yes, accused.
Is that the same Vincent at page 430? Is that the same Vincent Mureithi Karimi at 430?
Yes.
And that is confirmed that it's a curriculum vitae for Mr. Mureithi Vincent, correct?
Yes.
Let's move to page 431. Yes? Can you see where it is written Vita TV?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Do you know Vita TV?
I know Vita TV.
Where does it broadcast?
From Meru.
From Meru. Do you have any association with that particular TV?
No.
You don't have. I put it to you, and then look at where we have directors. Miriam, where we have the references. Can you see the references?
Miriam Gwantai.
One of the references, correct?
Yes.
Reference to Vincent, correct?
And Father Kaberia.
And Father Kaberia. Do you know Miriam?
I know Miriam.
Who is Miriam?
A close relative.
Close relative. Relative to who?
Relative to the governor.
Relative to the governor.
Yes.
Who is she referring?
From these documents, she's referring with Vincent.
Vincent.
Yes.
Yeah? Doesn't she work as your PA?
Yes, she works.
She works at as a PA, correct?
Yes.
Do you still maintain that you do not know Vincent and that Vincent does not work for you?
She doesn't work for me.
Let's go to, has she ever worked in the county government at any given time?
He has never worked in the county government of
Thank you. Let us go to page 443 of the same bundle of documents. That is a letter from the Public Service Board, correct? 443 honorable senators,
Yes.
and that the County Public Service Board is responsible of placement, correct?
Yes.
And that there is that letter is an internal memo, yes?
It's an internal memo.
Sent to the Meru County, from the Meru County Public Board to the chief of staff, correct?
Yes.
And that the chief of staff works under your office, correct?
Yes.
Can you see where you have serial number 1?
Yes, I can see.
Who is that?
The number 1 person,
Yes.
Vincent Moredi.
Vincent Moredi.
Yes.
Can you see where it is written designation?
Yes.
What is she?
Assistant Director,
Assistant Director,
Governor's Press.
Governor's Press.
Yes.
Do you still maintain your preposition?
Yes.
That she doesn't work for you?
It doesn't work for me.
As I yield to my next counsel, I put it to you that you are capable and you have been a pathological lawyer who was a liar, who has always craved and hidden under the card of gender. And that you have come before this assembly to lie, and that your witnesses have always been lying, and that they have lied today. Yes?
I will prove to you now.
Did you listen to the submissions or the response of the CEC for ICT?
No.
Did you listen to that evidence?
From who? From who?
Ibrahim
Ibrahim who?
Mutwiri.
Yes.
Did you hear him confirming that he is a man of proper standing
Yes.
and that there has not been proved otherwise?
It has not been proved.
Madam Governor, I yield to the next council, but you shall not keep on lying. We shall not allow you to evade accountability on account of misogyny. We shall not allow you to evade accountability on account of it wasn't me. I yield.
Honorable Speaker, my name is Kawira. I will take the few minutes that are remaining. Madam Governor, in your opening statement, you said that the County Assembly defense consists of lies, correct?
Yes.
And you said that it is pure lies, correct?
Yes.
We have shown you evidence that the purported legal advice from the purported legal advisor is a lie. We have caught you lying. We have shown you further evidence that the letters that were purportedly written by the notorious County Secretary but never received by the Office of the Clerk, but which you purport in your evidence to have been received by the Office of the Clerk, are also outright forgeries. We have also shown you evidence, and contrary to what you say in that video, that you don't know Vincent Moredi, alias Supu, we've shown evidence that this person has actually worked under your office.
I know Supu, but he
Wait
has
for my
never
question.
worked in my office.
Wait for the question, Madam Governor. Do you still maintain that despite all this evidence of lies and inconsistencies in your evidence, it is a county assembly that is lying?
There are no lies.
Okay. Madam Governor, there's a video, but for the benefit of time we won't play it. There's a video in your bundle of videos where you did a tour after the last impeachment proceedings. You went to Meru and you're addressing the rally from the rooftop, correct?
Yes.
Is that your best evidence of your reconciliation efforts? Is that your best available evidence?
Among the best available evidence.
Have you presented all the other evidences before this Senate?
Yes.
Where are they? Madam Governor, turn with me to page 394 of our volume 4, Honorable Speaker, volume 4. Page 394. And as you open it, open page 558 of the said volume, those two pages. Yes, show them to the Governor. And this is a recommendation, Madam Governor, I'll read and you will agree with me. On 15 and 16, this is a recommendation by the County Assembly that a sub-vote be established within the Office of the Governor to provide a budget for the Deputy Governor, correct?
Yes.
And this recommendation was made to the County Treasury, correct?
Yes.
And the head of the County Treasury is Mr. Ibrahim, who testified in the morning in your favor, correct?
Yes.
At page 558, this is now the report on the Meru County Budget Appropriation Bill for number 2 of 2024. You will agree with me that the committee notes that the CCM Finance did not adhere to that resolution at number 16. That is page 558, Honorable Speaker, correct?
Yes.
So, Madam Governor, if your evidence is that you are the foremost peacemaker, is that you have made all attempts at reconciliation, why would you allow your CEC to deny the Office of the Deputy Governor a budget? If indeed you want to reconcile with the Deputy Governor and you want to reconcile with all other leaders.
The Deputy Governor doesn't have a vote, that is one. Number two, the amount allocated to the Governor is for both the Deputy Governor and the Governor.
You did not get my question. Why would you deny that office within your office still?
We've never denied that office budget.
I think, Honorable Speaker, I leave it to interpretation by the Honorable House. Honorable Speaker, I'll ask that video number 1B in our bundle of videos be played. And that is my last question. 1B of the County Assembly bundle of videos. Honorable Speaker, I'll seek your indulgence to get the interpreter, the translator. And this is my last question.
It's rendered in English. Proceed.
The video can be played.
Atongeria baba kubarathiurunkaga na mwiri jwa sniper bari biachara ene na isiasa ene bari gatigati mbeca ire bothite monka nande inkoroki ya milioni 86 turenda mwakuro sniper kiro nyombe ngoroba turenda mwakuro sniper
Council, your time is up.
turenda na sniper.
We conclude.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Who is speaking that video, Madam Governor?
Myself.
Proceed, Council.
Posture...
Senator Gloria, you're out of order, and I'm giving you a caution.
Madam Governor, would you say in that video, the posture you have taken in that video, which is quite different from the posture you've taken in the witness stand, would you say you are sensitive to the plight of that family?
No.
You are not sensitive. You agree? Thank you. Thank you for that answer. What evidence have you placed before this Honorable House to prove or to show that indeed 86 million Kenya shillings was raised?
There's a video clip.
No, evidence of money, not a video clip. Evidence of money.
Evidence of money in the video clip.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for listening to me.
Council for Governor, you may re-examine. You have 5 minutes to do that.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, I will be very brief with the Governor. Madam Governor, you have been taken through a series of questions about a number of issues. Is the murder of Sniper subject of this impeachment? Has there been any accusation in the notice of motion about your involvement to the murder?
No.
Secondly, you have been asked to, or rather you've been put to task about certain employees of the county government of Meru, one of them being Vincent Morethi. Again, in the impeachment motion, is the issue of the employment of Vincent Morethi featuring anywhere in the notice of motion? Is
Not
it an
featured
accusation
anywhere.
you're facing?
Not.
Does it have any relevance in these proceedings?
It doesn't have any relevance.
Do you confirm that there is a murder
trial that is taking place as we speak in respect to the unfortunate murder?
Very active one.
Thank you. You have been told about a facility within Kegocho Ward. Kindly clarify what is the status of that ward. Is it an operational maternity wing or it's not an operational maternity wing?
It is not operational. We just finished construction the other day and yet to have the furniture so that it can start being operational.
Are you offering maternity facilities or other maternity services at the facility?
We are not offering maternity facilities there.
Thank you. Again, back to the issue of the employees of the county. How many employees do you have at the Meru County government?
6,000, almost 6,000.
Almost 6,000.
Yes.
Are you in charge of all these employees?
No.
Specifically, the issue of Vincent Moretti. Is he an employee of Meru County?
He is not an employee of Meru County.
Did he attempt to be an employee of Meru County?
He attempted and then the letter was revoked just after 1 week.
By the time you're making those comments, was he an employee of Meru County government?
He was not an employee.
He was not an employee. Thank you. Finally, you've been asked about the copy of the original of the legal advisory that was offered to you by one Linda Kiome. Given a chance, would you bring it to Senate? And why haven't you brought it to Senate as we speak?
Due to time, because it was just asked a few hours ago.
The issue of production was done when you're still in the Senate? Is that your evidence? Was that request made while you're still
Yes.
in Senate?
Yes.
How far is Meru from where we are currently?
5 hours drive.
5 hours drive. It would then require reasonable amount of time for that to be availed in time, isn't
Yes.
it? Thank you very much. Finally, have you made specific responses to all the allegations that have been brought against you in this house?
Yes.
Have you supplied enough evidence to controvert every allegation against you?
Yes.
Have you brought witnesses before Senate who have talked on various issues?
Yes.
Do you stand by the evidences that they have adduced in court, in this
Yes.
Senate?
Yes.
Thank you. That is all for this witness, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I wish